Do you ever wonder what opportunities your life gives you? All the adventures, beautiful and crazy things that you can do. The traveling and goals that you have yet to accomplish. I am Alex Wright, and this is my journey.
Okay, so we are about to get a dog today, and it's our first option. It's husky, male husky, 1-year-old guy.
Yes.
And let's go to see it.
Yes. See you soon.
He has a chat with.
Yeah, you just boom. There you
Yeah,
go.
in the
Yeah.
city
Sit,
of,
stay, Max.
Okay.
He's just hyper and excited right now.
Aww.
He's cute.
Yeah, he's.
He's
I love the
hers.
color.
Yeah, he's a good. He's a good dog.
Yeah, he's kind. So kind.
So
Yeah,
I've heard. So
Yeah.
we looked at that dog. It was really cute, and it knew how to give a paw and how to sit down, but it was just so much hair, and it was such an enormous dog. We could not imagine that in our little one-bedroom apartment in LA. What do you think?
Yeah, it's too big for our apartment. And we decided to take female dog because it's kind of smaller.
Yeah.
10 pounds smaller, and
Less maintenance.
yeah, and we want to educate the dog from the beginning, so it will be educated,
Our dog,
trained, don't have bad habits, yeah.
Also, because it was a 1-year-old dog already, they're kind of used to old owner, so it will take us some time to make the dog feel like we are her new owners or his new owners. So I think puppy would be better because we could train him from very beginning and they will know who to listen to.
Yeah, and now we are going to look another puppies,
Yes.
4 different puppies.
I think there are 3 of them, 2 girls and 1 guy, and we'll see who I can
2
film.
girls, 1 guy and 1 girl.
I didn't get the joke. Alright, see ya!
Petit matelas sur le sol, un frigo qui fonctionne, faut que je retourne à l'école. Jour la nuit, la vie dans mon rigole.
Oh my god.
Ah! That wasn't necessary.
Yeah, I know.
Green, go.
Little puppy. And her name is Sibir. Sibir.
Sibir.
She smells so good.
Siberia.
She smells like a puppy.
Oh, look at this.
Ты чё?
Чуть не уронила на ребенка телефон. Спит. Медведь. Несем собачку домой?
Okay, it's first time at home. She's just smiling everything.
Сиби. Ко мне. Ты где? Где ты? Смотри. Твой заяц, твой заяц, твой заяц. Зверь. Ты мой волк. Смотри, кто это? Сиби, кто это? Кто это на видео? Кто это на видео? Ну такой, вот. Кот! Нет! Не кусайся! Зачем ты меня кусаешь? Сиби! Ай! Ай! Ай-яй-яй! Короче, у нас много работы над этой собакой. Собакой-кусакой! Прекрати! Прекрати! Нет! Кто спать идет? Кто скоро идет спать? Наша наша девочка идет спать, да? Так, тихо, успокоимся, ложимся спать. Мне больно. Ай-яй-яй, ай-яй-яй, ага, Сиби. Ай-яй, фу. Спи, спать, ложись спать, спать.